It says, don't be scared. Just in time for Halloween. Don't be scared. Scare Remedies and Pictures by Ilse-Margret Vogel. New York, 1964. To Margaret, Peter, Charlotte, Timmy, Liza, Lou. Liza and Lou or Liza Lou? I don't know. If those strange noises in the hall come from a lion playing ball, don't be scared. Tell him it's much too late and his fun will have to wait. Ball playing prohibited. If you find an antelope washing with your piece of soap, don't be scared. Antelopes are seldom mean and take pride in keeping clean. If boating with a troll who's cross and you find he's mean and plays the boss, don't be scared. His bossy energy will fade if you make him get out and wade. If you're bothered in your slumber by a fierce and long cucumber, don't be scared. Just wake up and say hello. That will surely make him go. If you meet an alligator dancing in an elevator, don't be scared. Maximum weight, 2,000 pounds, no alligators. He could be the ideal one to make your party lots of fun. If a witch on a sagging broom passes through your living room, don't be scared. If you're polite, she may decide to take you for an evening ride. And if upon your country walks you pass by a cow that talks, don't be scared. She might enjoy a chat with you, and when she says goodbye, you moo. Moo. If you should meet one day in town a zebra in an evening gown, don't be scared. Zebra flees zoo, maybe wearing evening gown, maybe wearing gown. Step up and say you would advise a much more suitable disguise. If you find an angry ghost all alone atop a post, don't be scared. Help him down and you will see ghosts delight in company. And if there should be an octopus complaining rudely on your bus, don't be scared. See to it that he has a seat for himself and all his feet. And if you see a crazy face in a mirror some dark place, clearly the last page is missing, don't be scared. And I'm sure that face is you, but I don't remember the rhyme. So my goal here is to get some of these childhood books up online to share with my grandchildren and all of you, because some of these books are out of print and I thought it would be nice to keep them going for as long as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, spread it around. Let me know if you like it. Love to hear from you. And I do now have a Buy Me a Coffee link, so if you feel in your heart that you could donate some, please step over and buy me a coffee. Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.